Hi guys, here's how you become part of the Lusaka Caregiver and Home Helpers Referral program and make yourself some extra cash. First, let's open the web browser and use the URL bar at the top to get to lusakanursingAssistance.com. Next, navigate to Latest Updates in the top menu. From this page, look through the blog posts until you find one titled Want Extra Cash? If you don't see it on this page, click Older Entries at the bottom to look through older posts. When you find the post, click on it. Alternatively, you can also click the image on the right side of the latest update page. You can also use the search function with the term referral or extra cash. Once you've found the blog post in question, take some time, read through and learn about this referral opportunity. I recommend you read it thoroughly. At the bottom, use the click here link. It's in blue, I might add. On this page, Lusaka Caregiver and Home Help has provided you with some pre-written text you can copy and paste into any digital sharing platform you like. Pop these messages into WhatsApp, on Facebook, in an email, or even a text message. It's that simple.